Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to embed or insert YouTube video in Canva. So if you want to embed or insert YouTube video in Canva, what you have to do first, here you will see in your apps option or more options. So just click on it and here you have to search for embed. Okay, and there first result here you will see embed option. Now here you have to paste the link of the video which you want to insert or embed in the Canva. Just click on it and click on add to design and you will see that this video has been embedded in my Google, in my Canva. Okay, so this is the way by which you can easily add or embed YouTube videos in Canva. If you want to, if you want any other tutorial for Canva, you can just subscribe my channel. I will upload more and more videos about Canva. So thanks for watching. If you love this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.